Part 5. Number 41. With the passage of time, the Earth's rotation slows gradually. This suggests that in the past, days were shorter. This is due to the Moon's tidal impacts on the Earth's rotation. Number 42. It would take 258 days to drive around Saturn's rings if you drove at 75 miles per hour. The rings of Saturn are around 175,000 miles long, but only about 3,200 feet thick. Number 43. It's only 62 miles to the edge of space. Although there is no formal concrete border for where space begins, the Kármán line, which is 62 miles above sea level, is commonly cited as the beginning of outer space and space treaties or for collecting aerospace records. Number 44. Every 92 minutes, the International Space Station rounds the Earth. The ISS travels at a speed of 17,150 miles per hour, or 5 miles per second, as it orbiting the Earth. Number 45. The way light is disturbed as it passes through Earth's atmosphere causes stars to twinkle. As it enters our atmosphere, starlight is influenced by the winds, as well as different locations and temperatures. As a result, the light from each star twinkles as we gaze at it. Number 46. No matter where we are on Earth, we always see the same side of the Moon. This is due to the fact that the Moon revolves on its axis at the same pace as the Earth. Synchronous rotation is also known as tidal locking. '47. Elliptical, spiral, and irregular galaxies are the three main types of galaxies. Our solar system is located in the Milky Way galaxy, which is classed as a spiral galaxy. Number 48. The Milky Way contains around 100 million stars. The Milky Way is the galaxy with the most stars out of all the known galaxies. Number 49. From Earth, you can view 3 to 7 distinct galaxies with your naked eye. The Andromeda Galaxy, M31, both Magellanic Clouds, our Milky Way Galaxy, the Triangulum Galaxy, M33, Omega Centauri, and the Sagittarius Dwarf Spheroidal Galaxy may all be seen. Number 50. A radio signal from a source 5 billion light-years away was identified by astronomers in 2016. This suggests that Earth did not exist when the signal began its trip. The National Radio Astronomy Observatory's Very Large Array, VLA, in New Mexico was used to locate the discovered signals.